When it comes to Jasmy Coin, will the Bulls or the Bears win? Okay, because right now, as it currently stands, 70% of Jasmy holders are in the money. Okay, so that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Also, a rare chart pattern forming as we have a golden cross and a cup and handle pattern within Jasmy, indicating the potential for a lot of upside. I'm going to share with you guys what's going on with all things Jasmy in this video. So if you hold Jasmy Coin, make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We do talk Jasmy pretty often here on the channel, and in doing so, make sure you guys all remember that none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and run this through your due diligence before making any decisions within the crypto market, as it is extremely volatile, and there is no guarantee for future gains or results. Okay, so let's get into it. I want to talk to you guys a lot about this right now. This is going to be a couple-minute discussion. Right now, Jasmy in the last 24 hours, we'll pull it up on the charts. Okay, 15.9%. So shout out to Jasmy Coin, getting it done. A nice green day, giving kind of the bad week that we had a little bit of a kind of a correction as we look at this kind of upswing, up 3 spots into 69th in market cap, now trading at a $1.85 billion market cap. So here we are moving up in market cap. That's always a good sight to see. For me, in my Jasmy Coin, I need to get a lot more. Okay, I bought Jasmy way back when, pretty substantial amount too. So for me and my liking, I'm kind of holding and waiting, right? We have a long road to hoe. So all we can do is hope and pray that we get back to those levels. Now, if you are bullish on Jasmy Coin, I think it's very kind of pertinent to kind of represent what they can potentially do with what Japan and crypto and kind of how they're looking to get into a huge expansion in terms of their government. All of those bullish kind of headlines and narratives that we can go down. That's something that has me left with a lot of kind of optimism for Jasmy. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but Jasmy in the short term is kind of moving. And I think that's something where you look in kind of the numbers that we're about to get into with all the holders kind of in profit right now. That's going to be something where we really have to ask ourselves the question, okay, will we have more pullbacks or will we continue in this little upward direction as we get into 2025, okay? Very explosive month in December. We've seen price fluctuate between that 2.5 cents to roughly about 5 cents, a little bit under that. Consolidation has been around that 4 cents level. That is where the 4 cents liquidity zone is identified. And within this critical level, the next direction is where we could target a breakout and get above that 4.8 resistance. Okay. However, a breakdown, as this analysis is alluding to, we would see Jasmy potentially falling to that 2.4 level. Okay. So you kind of have to ask yourselves, will all of the numbers, okay, kind of in the TA surrounding it, will this lead to an explosive kind of upswing, or will we see a breakdown? Okay. Nobody has a crystal ball when it comes to cryptocurrency. Like I said, guys, it's highly speculative. But when we talk about it every single day, you kind of have to do your own numbers and run your math and really come up with the best decision for yourself. Okay. If we look into kind of the super trend indicator, okay, that's colored red here on this graph. That's where we look at a continuation possibly for the downtrend unless we can recapture higher ground above that 4 cents level. The CMF right now at a negative 0.15 value is indicating a lot of higher selling pressure as the MACD attempts also to turn bearish with some more negative divergence. So right now the market for Jasmy, looking at the numbers, is showing that it's weak, especially couple that with the fact that 70% of the holders are in the profit zone. That's going to be left to see, will holders take profits or will we continue to kind of just sit and wait for more bullish momentum, okay? That's going to be the big question, right? In and out of the money is a graph and metric that I look at a lot, and seeing that there's almost 71% of Jasmy Coin holders into the money, that's also something that we're going to hang our hats on, but we're also not going to jump for joy because I do think that there is the potential for a lot of holders to take kind of those profits and move on, all right? So a little bit of a mixed sentiment, okay? There's a lot of balance. 0.90 is the ratio between long and shorts. So that's going to kind of lead to the whole conversation and narrative that we're kind of in a tipping point, right? Are we going to be bullish or are we going to be bearish? And I think that's kind of what the whole purpose of this discussion was, because not only do we have 71 almost % of Jasmy Coin holders in the money, we do have that ratio of bulls versus bears, longs and shorts, really kind of at a battle with another to see if Jasmy is going to behave in a way that we all hope it does, okay? But more so on the bullish argument, golden cross and cup and handle patterns are forming that do kind of lend towards the argument that we will see a bullish uptrend for Jasmy. If you look at this kind of within the Fibonacci levels as well, a 145% gain is predicted as Jasmy targets 7 and 13 cents respectively. And that's kind of what we look into. This was posted by Crypto Zillion, talking about that cup and handle and golden cross, confirming the bullish momentum for Jasmy. We'll see. TA is more of a tiebreaker for me. It's not going to be something to being the end-all be-all, but I do think that these levels are very crucial. And historically, golden crosses and cup and handles have resulted in bullish kind of indications within the charts. So that's where it all stands today. I appreciate you guys tuning in, as always. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before exiting this video. If you do like me talking Jasmy Coin, let YouTube know. Put those thumbs up, smash that like button, and we'll see you all in the next video. Have a great holiday, and we'll be back on the channel very shortly talking Jasmy Coin. Cheers.